Hi, I'm Tash and I'm the Head of Education and Customer Liaison here at Woburn Safari Park. I manage all of the educational visits and making sure that the visitor experience is exceptional. So my role here at the park is making sure that we're as accessible as possible, and some of the biggest projects that we've been working on at the moment is creating our change in place toilet, our communication boards and social script.
Hi, my name's Tracy Jones. I'm primarily a parent, but I also work with SNAP Parent Carer Forum locally in Central Bedfordshire Council. We've been lucky enough to work with Central Bedfordshire Council and Woburn Safari Park to implement having this changing spaces toilet. It's a huge thing for children like mine and families and people with disabilities. It really will make an absolutely huge difference to people in the community with disabilities.
So one of the things that we've had the best feedback about are our Sen-Friendly Workshop days, and these are all about breaking down barriers to people that have additional needs. These Sen Workshop days include a range of different practical activities designed to be in smaller groups. So they can range from mucking out the animals to preparing food for them and also creating enrichment. And we've had great feedback from parents, especially around children who might be shy or struggle with social cues. So one of the newest things that we've implemented around the Safari and leisure area are our British Sign Language interpretation boards. So these signs are located around each animal enclosure and key leisure activities such as the train and the bobcat slide, and they're there to educate and help raise awareness of British Sign Language for visitors who come to the park. I have recently joined the BIAZA working group for diversity, equality, accessibility and inclusion. This role allows me to provide guidance and support to other zoological collections in the UK. So the next big campaign that we're working on is World Autism Acceptance Week, and this is all about, again, breaking down those barriers and spreading awareness about autism. All of these things together enhance the accessibility of the park. This will allow us to welcome more families for a more inclusive day out here with us at the park.